Hey y'all, today we are going to make a strawberry shortcake, and I got the recipe from another YouTuber. Mandy makes this on her channel, and so I decided I would give it a shot because my family, they're all about strawberry shortcake, but this way I'm not sure. I don't know if they like it. So take an angel food cake, tear it into pieces, or you could cut it into cubes, whichever. Put it in a 9x13 baking dish, and you're going to set it aside. You need to chop up or slice, either way, a quart of fresh strawberries, and you're going to need a can of strawberry pie filling, goes on top of the cake. So we're going to just try our best to kind of dollop this on. We're going to set that aside. We need 1 cup of powdered sugar or confectioner sugar, and I went ahead and kind of sifted it, trying to break up the lumps. And then we are going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese. We're going to kind of mash this in and make it like a sweetened cream cheese. We're going to dollop this on there. We are going to top it with some whipped topping. Okay, y'all, that's it. If you would like to see more desserts like this or any other food content, we will be starting to add some other things like shopping hauls and DIYs really soon. Y'all just bear with me on that. But if you would like to see anything else, just be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to like and subscribe. See y'all next time.